any taste, and change them every day. A tragedy occurred while I was cleaning up. I've lost my ring. It's a family heirloom. It's been passed down from one generation to another, and it brings luck. One ring is nothing compared to it. Where is my precious? What would I do without it? Form a cone out of parchment paper. Fasten it with tape. Snip off the edge. Cover the cone with a layer of hot glue. Paint it pink, blue, and red when the glue is dry. Make accents with black nail polish. Blondie has cried her eyes out. Thank God I have an eagle eye. Her ring has been lying in plain sight all this time. You just had to stoop down and take it. I come up with a special ring holder to help my friend stay away from the stress. Place this simple and useful holder on a shelf and put all your jewelries on it. You will never lose a ring with an organizer like this. And there are no more reasons for stress anymore. My friend has an interesting thing. This panda is so cute. You may look at your reflection in this new panda mirror all day long. Squeeze hot glue on a piece of plastic covered with fatty cream. Take it off and cut out half-circle details, 2 bigger and 2 smaller ones. Paint the details black. Cover a round mirror with white acrylic paint. Draw a panda muzzle on it with black paint. Attach black ears and paws. My friend boasts about her new mirror. Blondie is so excited. She wants the same accessory for herself. A panda mirror is a fashion trend of the season. A little panda pet in your purse looks so cute. Blondie's signature fried egg recipe is way too easy. Take a hot glue gun and acrylic paint and start creating. Are you saying this is inedible? Certainly not, but it's so creative. A decorative fried egg and colorful pasta on a vinyl record. Vintage and modern. It can make a wall centerpiece. Cover a piece of parchment paper with fatty cream. Make a glue blot with uneven edges. This will be the egg white. Smooth the glue by holding it above the flame. Make a hot glue circle on another piece of parchment paper. This will be the egg yolk. Smooth out the surface by holding it over a candle again. Attach the glue disc to the center of the blot. Take the entire detail off the parchment paper. Make thin glue strips. Take them off and attach to a vinyl. Let's add some colors. Paint the fried egg the way it should be, and paint the thin glue pasta in different colors. We've got a real designer masterpiece. Maybe we should make an entire collection of silicone dishes. What about hot glue pizza? But for now, we will hang our picture in the kitchen. The fried egg looks great, not only on a plate, but also on a wall. I adore cactuses, but real plants are way too prickly. This is why I've come up with a harmless hot glue cacti. Draw a cactus silhouette on paper. Put clear plastic on top of the image and smear some fatty cream over it. And fill the cactuses with hot glue within the outline. Take the details off when hardened. Add more volume from the underside where they've been attached to the plastic. Paint one cactus with green nail polish. Cover the rest with different shades of green acrylic paint. Add such details as bulges and spines using a thin brush. Fill a decorative bucket with large chunky sea salt and stick in the cactuses. Whoa! What is it? Lovely little cacti have settled in our kitchen. They are so cute. I need to water them, but these cacti don't need water. The small decorative plants will make any interior beautiful, and they will feel at home on the kitchen table. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments what way you are going to use hot glue. Will you make new earrings or a fried egg picture? Or tame a cute panda? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss any new videos on the Troom channel.